If you've been eating a grain-free lifestyle for a while, you're probably missing foods like bread or biscuits or rolls. Well, the recipe I'm going to share with you today is going to help you miss them a whole lot less. Hi, Robyn here with Lean Healthy Ageless and one of the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. Today's recipe is a Cheesy Herby biscuit. It's grain-free and it's nut-free as well because I'm using coconut flour as the main flour ingredient. I love coconut flour because it's high in fiber. And speaking of fiber, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by my favorite fiber, Bellway. Now, I mentioned that the recipe was using coconut flour, which is high in fiber, but even so, those biscuits only have about a little over 1 gram of fiber per biscuit. Well, gosh, that's just not that much. If we're trying to get between 21 to 25 grams of fiber per day, that's just not going to cut it. The reason I love Bellway so much is, one, it has 5 grams of fiber per serving. So if I have it twice a day, I'm getting 10 extra grams of fiber. You could even do it up to 3 times a day if you want. It's delicious. It's sweetened with monk fruit. It's organic. It has natural fruit in it as well. And it mixes up, stirs up with water really easily. It doesn't get all thick and clumpy. Fiber is so important in your diet. Most of you probably know that it's great for your gut health. It's great for elimination. But did you know that it can actually help with your cholesterol levels? Studies have shown that a diet high in fiber can help reduce your levels of LDL cholesterol, which improves your overall cardiovascular health. If you're looking to increase the level of fiber that you're taking in every day, try the Bellway. It's delicious. You're going to love it. We've provided a link for you to order and a discount code so you can get a discount on your very first order. So let's get going with this recipe because it's super quick and easy. So the first thing you want to do is take your eggs, your shredded cheese, and your cream cheese and mix it in a bowl. I used a handheld mixer. You can also do it by hand if you choose to, but I feel like this helps get the cream cheese and the eggs really combined well. Then add the rest of your ingredients, your coconut flour, baking soda, salt, and your seasonings, your garlic, onion powder. Mix the rest of that all up, combine it well, and you're going to have a pretty thick batter. Just scoop out clumps of the batter onto a lined cookie sheet. You can use parchment paper or a silicone mat. Pop them into a preheated oven of 350 degrees for 23 minutes. Well, the biscuits are out of the oven. Gosh, if you eat them warm, they're delicious. They're delicious cooled as well. They're golden brown. And I wanted to let you know that when I put them on the cookie sheet, I used this little scooper, which I love. You can get these scoopers. I bought this one on Amazon. They have different sizes, but it just makes your dollops round. You could use this for cookies as well, but it really helps. I also did press down the biscuits just a bit so that they were not quite round, but just a little flattened. These biscuits are so yummy. They remind me of the biscuits if you've had them at Red Lobster, cheesy and delicious. You could use other herbs, rosemary, thyme. You could also change the cheeses up, use a little bit of jalapeno to get the flavor you want. Be creative and enjoy.